Today we will all learn how to bring color video footage of Batman pictures. I have taken a video clip of a picture here. This is the normal color of the video. We will go to the color. Here you can see the color wheel and match. Here is the analysis option below the comparison view. I will come to the comparison view. It has two screens, one for capturing picture and one for video footage. By capturing the video footage, we will come straight to the analysis. See being an analyst. We've got the Batman effect in the picture. Thanks for watching the video with us for so long. Subscribe to our channel to learn countless effects like this.